Hi guys, what's up? I'm your host Shaumit Seth and today we are gonna be having a look at Maono Au-902 Fairy Lite cardioid microphone. Well, that's a pretty big name. We're gonna also discuss about its features and sound quality. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's have a quick look at the box contents. In the box, we get the Au-902 body attached to a metal table stand, manuals and a USB Type-C cable. Talking about the design, the Maono Au-902 is identical to Blue Yeti microphone but is definitely small and more portable. At the front you get two dials, one is for setting the gain of the mic and second is to control the volume of the output that you will hear in your headphones if you connect them to your mic. At the back you have a Type-C slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and at the top we get the microphone grill. The microphone is made up of a solid metal and is pretty sturdy and lightweight. Overall, the design of this microphone is really great and is suitable for all audio recording conditions. This mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which means it catches sounds from the front, reduces sounds from the sides and cancels out the rear. Thus, this mic is suitable for game streams, voiceovers and podcasts. The MRP of this microphone is 9,000 rupees, but I got this mic for 3,500 rupees on Amazon, and this mic is currently priced at 4,950 rupees on Amazon. I have been using this mic for quite some time and I have recorded 2 videos from this mic, which you can check by clicking on the card above, and trust me, the audio quality of this mic is really great for the price these are offered at. Though these are nowhere near to the Blue Yeti, but still they manage to give a pretty nice and balanced output. Upcoming are some raw audio samples recorded at 25, 55, 75 and 100 decibels. This audio is recorded at 25 decibels. This audio is recorded at 55 decibels. This audio is recorded at 75 decibels. This audio is recorded at 100 decibels. Well, now you have a fair idea about the audio quality of this microphone. 55 decibels is the sweet spot for this mic. At this gain, the audio quality is clear and crisp, and even this voiceover is also recorded at 55 decibels. Overall, the Maono Au-902 sounds really great. The best thing is you get a headphone jack with volume control to monitor your sound at the source. Yes, this mic catches a little bit of background noise because of its polling pattern, but that is easily removable in any audio editing software you use. Personally, I love the sound quality of this microphone. It records really crisp and clear vocals, and at the end of the day, great sounding vocals are heart of my videos. With that being said, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you have any queries regarding this microphone, feel free to ask me in the comments below. This is Shaumit Seth signing off. Peace.